Here we go, year 11. Still at it, even in March, with a 2019 Royce Wraith black badge. Very thankful for this returning customer to come back to us for 10-year Xpel Ultimate PPF for stone chip, scratch, and swirl resistance on the front bumper and on the grille. Beautiful black badge grille. Full paint correction with extensive compounding and wet sanding in about 30 different spots just to remove hairline scratching. Turned out absolutely gorgeous, and we coated it with Cquartz Professional ceramics, layered twice, even on the matte vinyl finishes that we didn't do. It was already on the car for a nice two-tone look. And we also did rear bumper PPF. Turned out great as well. Not an easy bumper to do. There's a big cluster of deep scratching in this door that we have some before and afters on our social media. If you follow it, obviously turned out amazing. Pretty much better than factory. Thanks for following.